Alright, so Sean showed you the troubles of opening up a package. Well, I'm going to show you the tools you need to open up the vault that is Hasbro packaging. So, alright, let's get a razor blade and cut the inside all the way around. Okay, this is how Mike Night/2020 opens up Hasbro packaging. And then you take nail clippers, boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then Dinobot should just come right on out there. Vermin. So, there it is. Let's get to the review. Hey, what's up everybody? Mike here with another video review, and today we're looking at Universe Beast Wars Dinobot. They remade Dinobot for the Universe line. He was in Beast Wars. He is a Velociraptor, if you didn't know that already. And between both Dinobots, Beast Wars, and this Universe, I think I like the Universe one better. Especially the Raptor mode. The tail is a little distracting. I think they should have just left it straight instead of make it look like he's wiggling it or whatever. But I like the color scheme. He looks like a raptor. And the other one had a lot of chest kibble in raptor mode and really small legs. So not much to say about Dinobot in raptor mode. His mouth does move up and down. I guess that's the only feature he has. So, to transform him, what you want to do is just remove the tail, like that. Bring the legs down, like that. Take the raptor heels, fold them down and turn them around. Fold them down, turn them around. Oh, yeah, I already did that one. And then take these pieces right here and bring them down. I like these claw things inside. As you can see, you just gotta get them out. There you go. Just gotta get your finger in there and pull them out. And you rotate it around, and you just fit it into the little peg on the back, and then close the claws around the ankle. Same with this side. Just get your finger in there and force the claws out. Bring it around and fit it into the peg. Then put the claws like that. Okay. Then take these pieces right here and you fold them down to the side like that. Take the arms and fold them out like so. Take the head, push it down to there, fold these pieces back up, close in the leg, alright, what the hell, okay, there we go, yes, alright, now that worked. Yeah, when you close in the legs, these panels should move in closer to fill in the chest area. And then just straighten the arms out, get the claws back, like that. And I like to move the dinosaur arms down like that so they're not like sticking out in the air. And that's pretty much Beast Wars Universe Dinobot. Now the transformation is a lot different than the original. The original actually transformed like it did in the cartoon. You know, the robot legs would kind of like come out of the chest, and the dinosaur feet would become the arms. But because of that, the toy looked weird. So I like the transformation on this one a lot better. You know, it doesn't have to be totally accurate. If we were talking about Transformers transforming the right way like they did in the cartoon, then you know all the classic figures transform differently than they do in the Generation 1 cartoon. So it's a really minor complaint for me. And the other minor complaint is the color scheme. It's different, but the purple does work on him, as well as the gold. But in the cartoon, I think he had a blue face, and yeah, I can't remember, but it wasn't this. But this is cool. I like this color scheme. It's definitely different. It's more like Megatron-esque. There you go. Now, one of the things I'm very happy about that they included was the being able to change the insignia right here. So you go from Predacon to Maximal. It's because in the Beast Wars series, he started out as a Predacon, and then he became a Maximal. So very cool. Articulation. His head can go all the way around. Arms can go about to there and back. The shoulder. Rotate 360 at the upper part of the arm. Bend at the elbow. No wrist articulation. No waist articulation. Legs can go out. Go forward, go back, bend at the knee. And cannot turn at the knee. They can turn at the ankle though, and they can do all these kind of cool pivots and everything. So it's Dinobot. Now for his gun, just transform it like that. Yes, and this missile is really sensitive. I actually shot myself in the face before I started reviewing this. So be careful, kids. There it goes. Very sensitive missile. See? But if you don't want to use it as a missile, you can use it as a... what does that look like to you? That's not a sword. That's something else. But anyway. Another problem I have is the weapon. In the series, he would have the splitting tail weapon of death or something. You know, if you guys saw the series, you know, when he in robot mode, when he has the tail in his hand, it would just spin around. Then he'd have the badass sword that was also spinning. The blades were spinning individually. So he had some pretty cool weapons. He didn't hit his gun. Was his eyes. He had laser eyes. So, but yes. Other than that, I think this is a fantastic figure. I really suggest you picking him up over the original one. It's definitely a step up, without a doubt. The only difference are the colors, the transformation, and weapon. But those are really minor. Very minor complaints for me. This figure is fantastic. So there you go, Dinobot. And I wish I had the other one out to compare him with, and to show you guys, but it's all good. Yes. Alright, well I guess that's it. You guys have a fantastic day. See you now.